Alright, first of all, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day. And we're going to Baler, Aurora. First ever long road trip as a family together alone. We got so many snacks. What is this? Drinks. We even have Adobe. And then we have all our stuff. We're only going to be there for a week. I mean, we're going to be in Baguio too, but this trip is less than only a week. And we have like a month's worth of stuff. So my baby's sleeping.
Christmas, Mama! Merry Christmas! It's Jesus' birthday today. Do you want to sing happy birthday? Yes. Okay, there's a candle, blow. Happy birthday, Jesus. Wow! Christmas lunch. Joby. Her in-flight movie experience. A bag full of toys and books for Adriana when she gets bored. How are you, baby? Yum, yum, yum. Can you show them the person? Wow! Wow! Sing!
Who's driving now? I got tired of driving. Time to relax. We are in Tarlac and Nueva Ecija, and there's about 100 kilometers or more, a little over 100 kilometers to go to Baler, Aurora. This one's having fun. We are now in Cabanatuan City, about 45 minutes away from Aurora now. Look at this one. Someone's still driving shift. Trying to beat the tricycles. Nice. Here. Look at the mountain range up there in the background. Nice. I got this beautiful mountain range here with fish pond, fisheries.
Then I want to pay. Bye-bye.
It's nighttime And we are almost there. And I want to gas up just one more.
How was your nap? How was your nap, my love? Yes, Adriana. Barbsa? Where are you? Want to stretch? Wow.
Trigger one.
Standing?
Baby.
We're dressing up.
My baby. My baby. We made it. We made it to Costa Pacifica.
Alive.
And our room is huge. Look at who's happy. Are you happy? We just had dinner, and you probably can't hear a lot because of the wind, but we're right beside the beach now. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. This is the ocean at night. It's very low tide.
Are you crazy, Adriana?
She almost jumped into the pool.
No, Adriana. No!
Oh my goodness. You gotta pick her up.
Good night. Merry Christmas, Adriana.
And we're gonna end the night here. It's pretty early. It's only like 8 o'clock, I think, but we're tired. So it's time to get some sleep. Wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna go swimming, and then yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach, ocean.